How to log out from Bilibili. First of all, open the Bilibili app on your device. Make sure you are already logged into your account. Once the app is open, tap on the profile or account icon labeled as Me, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then go to the settings icon, usually represented by a gear icon. Inside the settings, you will find the logout button. Tap on it and the confirmation prompt will appear. Confirm that you want to log out by selecting Logout. After logging out, you will return to the login screen where you can either log in with a different account or exit the app. Logging out is useful if you want to switch accounts or maintain privacy while sharing your device. Always make sure your account details are saved or remembered before logging out to avoid any issues. Now you know how to log out from Bilibili. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.